How to create a stunning border effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Easy tutorials. In today's tutorials, we will learn how to create glowing border effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, I'm using a picture of a cat. From here, I'll move the layer on a step above. Next, I will go to the effect control panels and reduce the scale value of the image. Now I'll create a color math. To make the background more appealing, I'll choose red color and save it as red color. Then I'll place the color matte below the image. After that, I'll create a rectangle shape based on the size of the cast image. I'll turn on the fill option for the rectangle shape and add a stroke. I'll adjust the stroke value to match the image. Once done, I'll position the layer on top of the image. Now I'll head to the effect panel and search for Gaussian blur. I'll apply it to the upper layer and go back to the effect control panels, setting the blurriness value to 110%. If the glow appearance too intense, I'll reduce the stroke value. Next, I'll go back to the effect control panels and search for the wave warmth effect. I'll apply this to the upper layer. Then in the effect control panels, I'll set the direction value to 50% and choose wave type as smooth noise. Now you can see the glowing effect border on the image. If I copy this layer and place it above, the glowing effect will intensively. The more layers I copy, the more the glow will increase. Now if I disable some layers, you will notice the glow decrease. To learn more interesting video editing tips like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos.